Okay. In this video, we're going to talk about some longer-term trades. If you remember, the trade that we looked at before was around an event, and it showed an option that would pay out really in just a few hours worth of time. And there are some risks associated with that, and I talked about those in the last video. Just in the same way, there's some risks associated. Well, everybody should know there's risks associated with any kind of trading. But you have to understand with options, there's time risk and price risk, okay? And there's also operator stupidity risk. The first video I was going to shoot, you can see here I put a box option up here. Now, with Owanda, if the inside of the box is shaded, this is a hit box, which means price must get in here. What I was trying to do was a miss box, and I got caught up in what I was doing, and I screwed it up. Okay, so let me do this again. Whoops. Okay, we'll just put it on there. And you can see here it's giving me the error, invalid box start time is too near. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and cancel this out, start again. And we'll put the start here, and we'll go to there. And you can see the reason why it's giving me invalid start time, July 9th. Let's just go ahead and move this out. Okay, so July 10th. July 10th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see start time is too near because it's obviously after this price. We'll just go ahead and set this to whatever, July 11th at midnight. So here we have a month worth of time. July 11th at midnight to August 11th at midnight. Okay, now we want a miss box, and we'll put in $50 here. And we'll see what we have. Okay, now this is important information because what is Owanda telling us here? Well, Owanda is telling us that yeah, you're right. There's a big chance that the market is going to miss that level. Okay, meaning it's not going to trade inside of this box. How do I know that? Because this number is very low. Okay, they're basically saying you put in 50. We'll give you your original 50 back plus $17.27. Now, let's look at this. 17.27 divided by $50. I mean, come on, that's still 34% on your money. That's not bad. 34% on your money as long as the market misses that level. Now, let's look at what happens. Let's talk some real numbers here, just so you have an idea. Okay, so if we put in $2,000, which is the maximum amount. Okay, they tell you down here the maximum box purchase price purchase price is 2,000 pounds. If I go 2,000 pounds and it pays out, it's going to pay me $2,694, which means I'm profiting $694.54. So you divide that by our original investment of 2,000, 34%. Okay, so you get the same return, but the dollar amount is bigger. But this is still something that you can make 34% on your money with $50. Okay? As long as the euro stays below 39.57 from July 11th to August 11th. Okay, so you can let me go ahead and hit submit. So now the box is there. And you can see that I have two boxes there, so it looks a little bit funny. And you can see that it's shaded on the outside. Okay, that's a miss box. You can also see here, I've got an open miss on the Euro US dollar. I paid 50, it's going to pay out 67.54. You can see the resale value. I've got some value in it already, $35. Start date is from July 11th, which is tomorrow or tonight at midnight, to August 11th at midnight. Okay, all that information is up here in the boxes category. Now let's look at something else. Meaning, if I wanted to place another options trade down here, so we create a box for the other side. Now this is something very important. Let's go ahead and look at a similar scenario here. It stays below this level. Whoops. There we go. Now you know what? Let me cancel that out. I'm going to do something a little bit closer and about the same size. I don't know what happened there.